Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on VoiceOver on MacBook. Before I get started, forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Starting with macOS X, Apple has included a native screen reader called VoiceOver on its Mac and MacBooks. The feature is designed to help low vision or blind users navigate their computers and the internet more easily. It works by reading aloud the text description on everything that appears on the screen as well as reading any displayed text. The technology also allows users to interact with elements on the screen. So what if you want to turn this on your MacBook? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you can open your system preferences on your MacBook. After that, you can go to accessibility. You can click on accessibility. And on the vision section, there is an option voiceover. You can just click on that. So you can read on this. VoiceOver provides spoken and braille description of item on the computer screen and provides control of the computer through the use of the keyboard. Here's the toggle for the voiceover. You can enable by click on enable voiceover.
Welcome to VoiceOver. VoiceOver speaks descriptions of items on the screen and can be used to control the computer using only your keyboard. If you already know how to use VoiceOver, press the V key now. If you want to learn how to use VoiceOver, press the spacebar now.
So you can press the spacebar to learn how to use the voiceover. You can click on voiceover. After that, click on use voiceover. You can check the differences.
VoiceOver on System Preferences. Accessibility window. Accessibility features table. Spoken content. Selected has keyboard focus. You are currently on a table. To enter this table, press Control Option Shift down Finder. Desktop. Movies stack. Actions available. You are currently on a stack. To open, VoiceOver off.
It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn on VoiceOver on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.